Hi guys! Recently our team made a review on Track Club, and today we're going to show you some more tricks we use when working with wedding films. Track Club is a very cool platform to make your videos even more creative, so I want to go through that today. So stay with us, it's going to be interesting. You can find the link to the article in the description below. First off, after I've downloaded stems from the Track Club website, I upload it to Ableton Live. With this program, we can do amazing things with stems. We can choose or cut the instrument chords and add any other instruments to the song. You can change the place of the vocals, make remixes, add a lot of different effects, and use Ableton Live in other ways when working with stems. Now, I'll show you how I work with stems. First of all, on the master channel, I see that the volume level exceeds 0 dB. This negatively affects listening. So to make the song sound better, I'm going to apply Izotope Ozone 10 to the master channel. After that, I select the folk preset from the genre-specific mastering list. And I think with that, no more changes are needed. The song sounds great with this preset. One of the client's requirements was that the video be no longer than 2 minutes. So I started working with the structure of the song to reduce it to 2 minutes. It's also worth removing the vocals at this point, as they don't suit the theme of the video. Leave only the vocals of Haze. It adds dynamics and variety to the song. I duplicate the vocals of Haze for the first chorus to make it more dynamic. Listening to different parts of the songs, I gradually reduce it down to 2 minutes. Shortening a song is quite a creative process, and what parts of the song to keep or to remove depends on your creativity. But I recommend leaving 2 choruses and 2 verses for your video, or 1 verse and 1 chorus, in case the video is longer than 30 seconds. I also see that before the breakdown, there's a lot of empty space where lead vocals used to be. I think it's good to duplicate Haze and make it less noticeable for listening. We'll add space to it due to the reverb and delay plugin. First, I add Pro-Q3 EQ and automate the low cut and high cut filters to help open up the vocals before the chorus begins. Then I add Reverb Pro-R with the Choir Hall preset to get the space of this vocal. I change some of the filter settings to match our vocals. And then I add some automation to the mix filter to cut the space before the chorus starts. I add automation for the parameter panning from the left channel to the right. Not to make the verse look empty due to the absence of many instruments, I decide to copy the strings and paste it into the verse. I also reduce the intensity of the sound by lowering the volume level. Then I add an equalizer to suppress the high frequencies just a little. I also add automation for high cut filter to make the high frequencies open up before the chorus. Now these are all the settings I applied to the song, but it's just a small part of what's possible to do with Track Club for wedding films. Now, let's see the final result of the song in our new wedding film for one of the clients.